How to change phone number on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change phone number on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are options and sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, proceed and tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to get access to different features and areas of the app. Next, scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap on the one named Personal Information. This will take you to this page, where there are various options and sections that have your information, such as the one we need today. You can edit and make changes to some of them. From there, look for one named Contact. This is where you will see your Cash App contact information. Under the Contact option, there are options such as email and phone number depending on what you have added. To change your existing phone number, tap on where the phone number appears. After that, an option similar to this one here pops up, where you are asked to confirm if you would like to remove the number. So go ahead and tap on it, and the number will be removed. Next, come back to the Personal Information page and tap on the phone number to add a new one. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change phone number on Cash App.